How to troubleshoot Snapchat app not opening. Firstly, give your device a quick simple restart can clear temporary bugs. After that, check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your network is lagging, then switch to a different network or your mobile data to see if that helps. Now navigate to the Snapchat app. After that, tap and hold on the app. A small menu like this will open. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner. This will open your app info. Scroll down under the section Usage, click on Storage. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. Go back and at the very bottom panel, click on Force Stop. Enable that option and try to open the app again. Additionally, also look for any kind of updates that may be available for the app. Open App Store or Play Store on your device and search for Snapchat. If you see any kind of updates available for the app, then click on the update option to update the app. So that's all for today. Thank you.